Okay folks, let's talk furniture. Not just any furniture, but the kind that makes your house feel like a home. The kind that you can sink into after a long day and feel all your worries melt away. The kind that stands the test of time, both in style and durability. Not the flimsy stuff you assemble with a prayer and a screwdriver. You know the type. The kind that wobbles if you so much as look at it wrong. The kind that makes you question your life choices every time you sit down. No, we're talking about something much more substantial here. I'm talking investment pieces, the kind that become family heirlooms. Imagine a dining table that hosts countless family dinners, holiday feasts and late-night conversations, or a vintage armchair that cradles you as you read your favorite book year after year. These are the pieces that tell your family's story. You know, chairs so sturdy they could tell stories about your awkward dating years. The kind of chair that has seen it all, from your first apartment to your forever home. It's not just furniture, it's a witness to your life. Imagine this. A chair, comfy as your favorite pair of sweatpants, lasting over 30 years. That's right, a chair that doesn't just survive but thrives through decades of use. It's like having a reliable old friend who's always there for you. That's right, 3 decades of stylish lounging. Picture yourself sinking into a sofa that looks as good today as it did when you first bought it. A piece that doesn't just follow trends but sets them. It's the kind of investment that pays off every single day. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not just a dream, it's a reality you can create with the right choices. It's about finding pieces that resonate with your style and stand up to the rigors of daily life. It's about making your home a sanctuary. But here's the thing, it's totally doable. You don't have to be a millionaire to afford quality furniture. It's about being smart with your choices, looking for pieces that offer both style and substance. It's about prioritizing quality over quantity. Choosing the right furniture is like picking a life partner. You want it to be around for the long haul. You want it to support you, to be there through thick and thin. It's about finding that perfect match that complements your life and grows with you. So, ditch the disposable furniture mindset and get ready to invest in pieces that will stand the test of time, and maybe a few spilled drinks. Think of it as a long-term relationship, one that gets better with age. It's about creating a home filled with pieces that have character and history. Trust me, your future self will thank you. When you look around your home and see pieces that have been with you through all of life's moments, you'll know you made the right choice. It's about building a legacy, one piece of furniture at a time. Let's get real for a sec. When it comes to choosing furniture for your home, the material you pick isn't just a minor detail, it's a game changer. When it comes to furniture, material matters, big time. The type of wood or composite you choose can make a huge difference in the longevity, appearance, and overall quality of your pieces. Solid wood. It's like the Beyoncé of furniture materials. It's strong, beautiful, and built to last. You can feel the quality just by running your hand over its surface. Strong, beautiful, and built to last. Solid wood furniture can withstand the test of time, both in terms of durability and style. It ages gracefully, developing a rich patina that adds character to your home. Think oak, maple, cherry. These woods are sturdy, age gracefully, and can handle a bit of roughhousing. We've all been there. They're the kind of pieces you can pass down through generations, each scratch and dent telling a story. Now particle board? That's a different story. It might look decent at first glance, but it's like the cheap knockoff that tries to pass itself off as the real deal. It's like the cheap knockoff that tries to pass itself off as the real deal. Made from wood chips and glue, it's flimsy, prone to warping, and definitely won't be passed down to your grandkids. Made from wood chips and glue, it's flimsy, prone to warping, and definitely won't be passed down to your grandkids. Over time, it starts to show its true colors, and not in a good way. Edges fray, surfaces chip, and before you know it, you're left with a piece that's more of an eyesore than a centerpiece. So, when you're furniture shopping, remember solid wood is an investment, particle board is a recipe for disaster, and probably a few splinters. Choose wisely, my friends. Your home deserves pieces that will stand the test of time, not ones that will fall apart at the first sign of trouble. Invest in quality, and you'll never regret it. Okay, so you found a gorgeous solid wood table. It's the centerpiece of your dining room, the place where you'll share countless meals, stories, and maybe even a few dance moves. But before you get too excited, let's take a moment to think about what really makes this table a lasting investment. But hold your horses, there's more to consider. It's not just about the surface beauty, it's about what's underneath. The joints of your furniture are crucial. They are the backbone that ensures your table can handle the wear and tear of daily life. We need to talk about joints, the unsung heroes of furniture construction. These are the parts that hold everything together, often hidden from view but essential for durability. Think of them as the silent warriors that keep your furniture standing strong. Look for sturdy joints like dowel or mortise and tenon. These bad boys are like the glue that holds everything together, literally. These types of joints have been used for centuries and are known for their strength and reliability. They ensure that your furniture can withstand not just the test of time, but also the occasional bump or jostle. They scream quality and ensure your furniture can withstand years of use and maybe even a little impromptu dance party. Imagine hosting a gathering where everyone is having a great time, and your furniture stands firm, supporting all the fun and laughter. Avoid furniture held together with staples, nails, or suspect-looking glue. These methods might be quick and cheap, but they compromise the integrity of the piece. Over time, these joints can loosen, leading to wobbly furniture that's not just annoying but potentially dangerous. Those pieces are just begging for a wobbly leg and a trip to the emergency room. Trust me, I've seen it. Investing in well-constructed furniture with solid joints means you're investing in safety and peace of mind. So next time you're shopping for that perfect piece, remember to look beyond the surface and appreciate the craftsmanship that goes into making it truly exceptional. Let's be honest, life is messy. Spills happen, kids happen, pets happen. That's why choosing the right upholstery is crucial. When it comes to cushions, high-density foam is your new best friend. It's firm, comfortable, and won't turn into a pancake after a few months of use. And let's talk fabric. Look for stain-resistant, easy-to-clean materials that can handle life's little mishaps. Leather is a classic choice, but there are tons of durable, stylish fabrics out there. Remember, your furniture should be a source of comfort, not stress. Choose wisely, and your furniture and your sanity will thank you. We've all been there, tempted by the siren song of the latest furniture trends. But before you jump on that bandwagon, remember this: trends fade, but timeless design is forever. Investing in classic pieces ensures your furniture won't look dated in a few years. Think clean lines, neutral colors, and versatile designs. These pieces will stand the test of time and can be easily updated with accessories. So, resist the urge to buy that neon pink beanbag chair. No matter how cool it looks on Instagram, trust me, timeless is always the way to go. Section 6. Heavy is the head that sits on quality furniture. Here's a little secret. When it comes to furniture, weight can be a good indicator of quality. Heavy furniture is often made from solid materials like hardwood or metal. It's sturdy, well-constructed, and less likely to tip over. Always a plus. So, don't be afraid to put some muscle into it. Pick up that chair, test out that table, and trust your instincts. If it feels solid and well-made, it probably is. Section 7. Warranty. Your furniture's BFF. Let's talk warranty, people. It's not the sexiest topic, but it's important. A good warranty is like having a safety net for your furniture. It shows that the manufacturer stands behind their product and is willing to fix any defects or issues. Look for furniture with a warranty period of at least 5 years. That's a good sign that you're investing in quality. And don't be afraid to ask about the warranty before you buy. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Section 8. Sustainable choices for a guilt-free lounge. Listen, we all want a stylish home, but not at the expense of the planet. The good news is that sustainable furniture is having a major moment. Look for pieces made from eco-friendly materials like bamboo, reclaimed wood, or recycled plastic. These materials are not only good for the environment, they often add a unique, stylish touch to your decor. And don't forget about vintage and antique furniture. Giving pre-loved pieces a new home is the ultimate form of recycling and adds character and history to your space. Section 9. The joy of hand-me-downs. Your furniture's legacy. Remember that 30-year-old chair we talked about? Imagine passing that bad boy down to your kids, along with the stories and memories it holds. Investing in quality, timeless furniture means you're not just buying for today, you're creating a legacy. These pieces become part of your family history, passed down through generations and imbued with meaning. So, next time you're furniture shopping, think beyond the present moment. Invest in pieces that will stand the test of time, spark joy, and maybe even become treasured family heirlooms one day. Happy decorating!